I don't know what address or name of the building is, but all I know is it has Brightside Academy in it in downtown Pittsburgh, Pennsylvania. These were clearly originally Westinghouse, judging by the indicator. That one doesn't work and looks like it hasn't been in a long time. This one at some point got modernized with GAL fixtures. It looks like the mod was done a while ago. Ground requires a case hookup 3. Slow door, and here we go up. Lovely cowbell. These are probably original traction, so there's probably a complete replacement. Marshall did this. Creaky. Here 3. GAL Jet II RWB fixtures. Here 3. Go back down to 1. A phone, up-down belt's a bit broken. Marshall elevator, basic cab. Bit bouncy. Certificate. Installed in 2005, or replaced in 2005 actually. So the other one probably hasn't worked since 2005. This is about 415 Smithfield Street, but then it also has 417 Smithfield, so I'm not entirely sure. I doubt there's another elevator here, but I'll look. This is not going to be it.